My name is Feng Ming and I'm just an ordinary high school student. Hey, little brother, look. As you can see, my family dragged me out to watch the New Year's fireworks. However, I never expected, it's starting. This is where my journey to another world began. That was the last time I ever saw fireworks. What's going on? Damn. Feng Ming. What are you thinking so hard about? Nothing. WTF. Didn't the earth just explode? Could I have just dozed off and imagined it? The gods are about to descend, stop looking around. Gods. Sis, are you joking? You never believed in this stuff before. Slap. The gods have always ruled and protected us, how can you be so disrespectful? What? Look, God is here. It's the fortune god. It's the fortune god. It's the fortune god. It's the fortune god. Why aren't you kneeling and worshipping the god already? What kind of god is this? This is clearly a monster. 2 years later. This is the objective of the mission. Grab. Priest of the Temple of Beauty. Let me remind you, this mission is extremely dangerous. It doesn't matter, I have nothing left to lose except for this life. I'm glad to see a newcomer like you among the blasphemers. After all, to ordinary people, we are seen as unstable terrorists. Perhaps. But. I only believe in what I see with my own eyes. It seems the priest of beauty is about to hold a grand ceremony. The goddess of beauty herself might personally descend. We must devise a foolproof plan and complete it before she appears. During the countless missions over the past 2 years, I've learned one thing. The more meticulous the plan, the more likely unexpected events will occur. So, it's better to just kill the target. Blasphemer. The blasphemer is attacking. Run. Quick. Catch him. I'm not like these underlings. I'm a priest blessed by the goddess of beauty. You can now drown in the illusions of the goddess and die powerlessly. Ha! Do you think you're the only one blessed by the gods? What? Ah! My blessing! Why do you, a blasphemer, also have a blessing? As long as I kill you dogs of the gods, I can seize this disgusting power. Ugh! Enough with the nonsense, go die. The goddess of beauty is here. The divine descent has happened. The goddess is beautiful. Is this what they call the goddess of beauty? Mission failed, I must hurry and act before she strikes. Bam! Ugh! This boy is truly reckless, daring to defy the gods. Even if he's a blasphemer, how can a human oppose a god? Humans can't oppose gods. I'm sorry, I can't avenge you all. Do you seek revenge? Who are you? I am the goddess Siuan, the deity of misfortune and calamity. Your fate still holds much misfortune yet to come. This god forbids you to die here. Let go of me. Dad. Burn the heretics. Mom. Burn the heretics. Sis. Burn the heretics. Burn the heretics. What an unlucky life. I'm sorry. I can't avenge you all. No, this god won't let you die. Do you want revenge? Who? I am the goddess of disaster and misfortune, Siuan. You still have a lot of bad luck to experience, I won't let you die here. My wounds are gone. A god? No way, why would a god help me? You're my only believer, of course I gotta help you. Believer? Me? Yeah, just swear loyalty to me. Heh. Why? Why? Ridiculous, you just want to steal my faith, right? Gods are all the same, even won't leave a dead guy alone. Oh my, you're pretty sharp for a blasphemer. But this is my divine space, you can't hurt me here. You're dying anyway, why not just give me your faith? Really? Then what's this? My divine core. When did you? I thought all gods were disgusting monsters, but turns out there's one like you who seems human. Give it to me. Alright. Wait. I'll ask you once. Can you really bring me back to life? What if I say no? Then I'll crush this and drag you down with me. Yes. You're my believer, of course I can. Humph, I won't believe in any god. Hand over all the blessings and bring me back to life. Ugh. But outside there are all those priests, and the goddess of beauty, with these blessings, you still can't beat her. Ugh. This time I won't be careless again. Goddess of beauty, these are the blessings we found on the blasphemer. So many. How many priests did he kill? So cruel. Calm down. I've already sent divine punishment upon the blasphemer. Now, burn him at the stake as an example. Ugh. As for my loyal believers. Enjoy the pleasures of a perfect body. My hand. My hand grew back. Oh, my great goddess of beauty. Ugly bastard, pray you reincarnate as a believer of the goddess of beauty in your next life. Ha ha ha. No way. He's still alive. Demon. He's a devil. Shut up. A blasphemer can't be alive. Interesting. A god and a blasphemer working together. But in my protected city. Don't even think about being presumptuous. Whoa. Goddess of beauty. Long live the goddess of beauty. Humph. Humph, guess I'm pretty lucky after all. Destroyed your divine core so easily. Ugh. It's that blasphemer. He's not dead. Ugh, ugh. You dare, relax, I'll make sure to kill you completely. Wah. No way, the goddess of beauty can't die. TSK. You really killed a god. Let's get out of here. Don't rush, let me take care of these gods' lackeys first. But I have a bad feeling about this. Shut up. Foolish ants. Do you think destroying my divine core can kill me? As long as there are believers, as long as there is faith, I can be resurrected countless times. The goddess of beauty is still alive. Is never ending. Money, power, strength, beauty. As long as people are alive, they will have desires. And the desire for beauty is equivalent to faith in me. As long as I have even one follower, I will be immortal. What are you standing around for? Run away. How could something so absurd happen? Run, there's no point in fighting her. This is the first time I've seen such a weak god. Could it be that this kid is your only follower? Then I'll just take care of all of you and absorb your divine power. Stop them. Don't let them escape. The more afraid you are, the easier it is to die. What should I do? I don't want to die. The only way to survive is to exchange life for life. The blessings I have now are these. Deathly black flame. It causes no physical damage, but it can't be extinguished, and it inflicts burning pain. Scorching ink corrosion, it spreads throughout the body, enhancing the user's strength and slowing down the opponent's movements. And the ultimate curse that spares no one, calamity crow feathers. Why are you just standing there and grinning like an idiot? I'm no match for the goddess of beauty. Heh, I've already figured out what to do. Watch out. I have to find a way to get close to her true form, otherwise, I'll just be beaten down by these tentacles. Here we go. Deathly black flames. East movement. It's so hot. So hot. What is this? It can't be extinguished at all. Hiss. Damn ants. Very good. Have I really encountered a battle genius? Next, I'll use the scorching ink corrosion to seal her movements. Don't even think about it. Ugh. Feng Ming. Damn it. It's time for me to absorb your divine power. You, don't come any closer. Ha. Scorching ink corrosion. Right now. You bastard. How dare you scratch my face? This is unforgivable. Boys. Eat him up. My face. My face. No. 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 I have something to do, you cover for me. Me? How can there be such a thing? What a useless struggle, you'll only end up being tortured to death by me. I don't think so. Since we started the fight, I've been broadcasting the situation here live. Right now, people all over the world have seen the ugly truth about the so-called goddess of beauty who could make people beautiful. Think about it, how many followers will you have left? You bastard. I finally got rid of it. I'm going to tear you into 1,000 pieces. Come on. Don't you have any power to protect yourself? It would be nice if you could find a few more believers for me. Damn it, that bug. Do you think you can get away with this? We can't escape her like this. We're not going to run away from her. I'm just showing her true face to more people. I'd like to see what would be left of her after all faith in her believers collapsed. Look, she's the beauty goddess. Is that really the goddess? Why is she so ugly? Shut up, you motherfuckers. I'm the most beautiful. Isn't it bad to let her continue killing? They're just deluded believers, being killed is also a form of liberation for them. Huh. Come back. Haha, my beauty is back. Goddess, please give me beauty again. All hail the beauty goddess. Please grace us with beauty again. They knew it was a bug, so why do they still believe in the beauty goddess? I was careless and actually forgot something so important. Even in the era before your gods have arrived, humanity's desire for beauty can still ignore lies and fear. What should we do? Aren't we doomed? No. At least her recovery speed has greatly decreased. What are you going to do? I'll just kill her before she manages to recover. I finally found you. Disappear immediately. You bug. Let's see how you'll escape now. Die. Whether we succeed or not depends on you. Corrosion ink corrosion. You actually missed. How is this possible? This is the power of calamity. As for Siyuan's ability, anyone who comes into my barrier will become regrettably unfortunate. But why are you unaffected? Me? Because I've always been unfortunate. Even so, mortals cannot truly kill a god. Ha! You're right. Mortals indeed cannot kill a god. But gods can kill gods. This world is beyond saving. Shinya, rumble. The power of the gods is something humans simply cannot comprehend. The only hope of killing it now lies solely with Goddess Siyuan. Do I really have to do it myself? Let me transform it into something beautiful. Eek. It's over. Finally, it's getting serious. A divine miracle. That was the strange phenomenon I once witnessed during the struggle between the gods. Perhaps this is just the tip of the iceberg of the gods' power. But using it now, I'm afraid the cost will be quite high. Arg. Is that, the goddess of beauty? It's now or never. It's time for you to play your part. Go on. Ah. You traitors. Traitors of the gods. Arrgh. No. Don't look at me. Thug. Cough, looks like she's dead. It was easier than I thought. Ha. I was so scared, I thought I was going to die. Don't get excited too quickly. Damn it. Those blasphemers bastards. It's those two demons that made us this way. No. It's over. Listen to me. You bastards. Whoever takes another step forward will end up just like him. Beauty has done them so much harm, yet they still go crazy for it. Is this really their desire? How pathetic. But that guy intimidated so many people at once, as expected. This goddess's eyes for people are never wrong. With him, I don't have to worry about not having any believers. What? He killed the goddess of beauty. Why are you chasing after me? Asshole. Wait up. Finally, I've shaken off that group of people. During the chase, I stole some rags to use as a disguise. Feng Ming is too much. He actually left this goddess behind and ran away by himself. I'm going to make him pay for this later. Congratulations, newcomer. You've exceeded the task expectations. Didn't I say to transfer the money directly to my account? Times have changed, newcomer. You are the only person to have ever managed to slay a god up to now. There is an internal meeting among the blasphemers. The leader specifically asked me to personally invite you. Remember to bring your new partner along. I'm tired, so let's talk about it tomorrow. You can choose any time, since you are the main focus of the meeting. I thought this kid was quite familiar with the blasphemers, but it turns out he's just a newcomer. But an organization bold enough to go against the gods is indeed quite mysterious. Perhaps it could attract quite a few followers. Hey, Feng Ming. Does your place have a restroom? This goddess needs to wash up properly. It's me, Siyuan. Open the door quickly. This goddess is getting stinky. You don't want me to stay outside all night, do you? Feng Ming. Feng Ming. Feng Ming. Quiet down. Feng Ming. It's open. Feng Ming, wait for me. Where are you going? You've torn down all the walls of the apartment. I gotta find another place to spend the night. You're finding a place. This goddess wants to live in a large luxurious suite with a bathtub in the bathroom. I know somewhere similar. Great. Is this what you meant by similar? Yes. Large suite. Bathtub in the bathroom. Any objections? Wah. But this goddess saved your life. Is this worthy enough to serve this goddess? You were the only one talking, I never agreed. No, I think it's great here. The view is good, the air is nice, and nobody will disturb me. I guess you understand after all. Feng Ming. Why aren't you afraid of the gods? Why do you think so? When you were fighting against the goddess of beauty, it felt as if you weren't afraid of her at all. Even if you had previous grudges with the gods, it's nearly impossible to not feel the slightest fear of them. It's none of your business. I was just curious. Of course, it's none of my business, but all humans fear gods. You're the only one out of place. I'm afraid that all my believers that I'll gain in the future would be just like you. Of course, I'm afraid of the gods. They're like a distortion that could put me to death at ease, but there's one thing that scares me more than that, that is this strange world. Before you gods came here, people here were not able to fulfill their desire through prayers. Now, those crazy bastards have built up this world with their own hands. And I'm still living in this world that makes me feel so out of place. I feel as though I'm going crazy every day. Help me kill all the gods in this world. You can become the last god of this world. As for whether you can survive in my hands, and whether the world can become normal, will depends on each of our abilities. He is so blunt that even I want to kill him. But I can't mess with him now, I'll just play along for now. Humph, then you have to recruit a lot of believers for me. This goddess will naturally help you. But with your fighting ability, you just need to be responsible for blessing me and finishing the gods off. Who do you think you're looking down on? This goddess is a real god. My coolness doesn't just stop here. Oh. Tell me about it. Blessing is only a small part of the power bestowed by God on believers. It is equivalent to the reverberation of the power of God in the world, which will completely dissipate when the power is exhausted. I knew it. The blessing that can be bestowed can only be used a few times. But we gods possess the power to distort the laws of reality. That is theocracy. Is this what you're talking about? The divine authority of the goddess of beauty? This is indeed what the goddess of beauty dropped after her death. So it's theocracy. Does that mean I can distort reality? No. Humans can't bear it. Give it to me. You wish. Theocracy is a power that cannot be taken away by gods. Once used by humans, they will pay a price heavier than death. I know my limits. Ow. I live on the edge of a knife every day, so I don't want to waste this strength. A believer who doesn't care about his life, I'm done for. What are you thinking? I was just thinking about the old world that was snatched away by the goddess of beauty. Temple of the Goddess of Beauty. I don't know, maybe the blasphemer played a trick under the lamp. To build a branch near the Temple of the Goddess of Beauty. Empty bubble. That's not right, Brother Feng Ming. The leader has been waiting inside for a long time. The blasphemer's leader, in the Temple of the Goddess of Beauty? What are they trying to do? Stay outside. If I don't come out within 20 minutes, leave immediately. Okay. Okay. No matter what tricks he plays. Huh? What? Our protagonist is finally here. Thank you for taking the Temple of the Goddess of Beauty for the blasphemer, Feng Ming.